It also comes with this nice wig cap. There's 2 in the pack. It comes in this packaging right here. Very nice purple Luvmehair affordable luxury wigs. It also has this little pack. I haven't opened to see what's in here yet. Let's see. So it has another strap. Oh, it has the nice Love Me clip. A rat tail comb, black rat tail comb. The little thing, the headband to go around your head if you decide to glue it and let it dry. I've got some bobby pin and some tweezers for pre-plucking. Well, not pre-plucking, but if I want to pluck some more of the baby hairs in the front. And I'm not really sure what this is.